Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alaikum to everyone. As you know that my name is Gulharsan. So today I came before you to talk about 5 tips that are going to change our 12th class. First of all, tell me that did you waste your 9th, 10th and 11th class? If yes, let's discuss these 5 tips which are going to change my and yours 12th class. So let's start which are those 5 tips. First tip, what is this? Achievable goal. If you want to complete and get good marks in your 12th class, first you have to make achievable goal. What is this? Don't make big plans like I will complete my complete course in 3-4 months, but we have to make our plan just for 30 days. Like I will complete these 3-4 chapters in 1 month. This is your achievable goal and you have to do it. Because in easy things, in easy goals, consistency built and you become disciplined. Understand? Now let's move to the second tip. What is this? This is disappear. What is this? Disappear means reduce distractions. Leave and cut your contact with unnecessary friends, unnecessary use of social media and unnecessary talks. So please focus on study and height, work hard and show your results, and don't let people laugh at you. And third tip is study smart. Study smart because we have not to just work hard, we have to work smart. How? These are 3 parts in the smart study. First, we have to collect past papers of past 5 years that can help us in organizing our plan in the 12th class and also helps us to save our time. That can be perfect for us. And second, what is second in this? Distractions. I'm telling you 1 hour rule that can change your 12th class and avoid you from distractions. You can do this easily. 1 hour rule. What is this? You have to set every 1 hour, after every 1 hour, you will set an alarm that are padale, or you can say that brother study, start your study. This label you can give to the alarm. After 1 hour, when it will alarmed, you will be noticed that it will change in yourself and engage you to the study. Understand? That was second in the smart study. Third is revise. You have to revise every week, every day and every month. That can be essential for your study. Understand? Revise every day. Let's move to the fourth step. What is this? Never discuss. You have to not discuss your daily plan, daily goals, your goals with your friends, with your family or even everybody. Because when you share, that may laugh at you or may discourage you. That's why just complete your that goal and show your results. Then those jokes will turn into claps. Understand? So never discuss your plans until you complete them. So let's move to the fifth tip. What is this? This is inspiration. Now what is ahead? This is that you have to make your ideal. It may be your friend, your family member or your father or even anybody else. Like you have to make your friend and is an ideal who is better than you. And you will set a goal that I will become like this in 1 month. This will push you to the study, to the work hard. So these were 5 tips. I hope that you understand and you will follow these tips in your 12th class plans. So thank you so much for watching and inshallah meet in the next video. Allah Hafiz.